Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Let's listen and practice more and more for better result.
Essay on leadership. First of all, leadership refers to the quality of leading people. Probably, it is one of the most important aspects of life. Above all, leadership has led to the progress of human civilization. Without good leadership, no organization or group can succeed. Furthermore, not everyone has this quality. This is because effective leadership requires certain important characteristics. Qualities of a good leader. First of all, confidence is the most quality. A leader must have strong self-confidence. A person lacking in confidence can never be a good leader. A person must be confident enough to ensure others follow him. The leader must have confidence in his decisions and actions. If he is unsure, then how can people have the desire to follow him? A good leader must certainly inspire others. A leader must be a role model for his followers. Furthermore, he must motivate them whenever possible. Also, in difficult situations, a leader must not lose hope. How can a leader inspire people if he himself is hopeless? Honesty is another notable quality of a leader. Honesty and integrity are important to earn the love of followers. Above all, honesty is essential to win the trust of the people. Probably, every leadership which loses trust is bound to fail. People will not work with full effort due to an immoral leader. Good communication is a must for a good leader. This is because poor communication means the wrong message to followers. Furthermore, good communication will increase the rate of work. Also, the chances of mistakes by followers will reduce. Another important quality is decision-making. Above all, if a leader makes poor decisions, then other qualities will not matter. Furthermore, good decision-making ensures the success of the entire group. If the leader makes poor decisions, then the efforts of followers won't matter. A good leader must be an excellent innovator. He must display a creative attitude in his work. Most noteworthy, innovation is a guarantee of survival of a group or innovation. Without creative thinking, progress is not possible. Real-life examples of good leadership. Mahatma Gandhi was an excellent example of a good leader. He was a staunch believer in nonviolence. With his brilliant leadership skills, he made the British leave India. Probably, this was the most unique independence struggle. This is because Gandhi got freedom without any violence. Abraham Lincoln was another notable leader. Most noteworthy, he ended the slavery system in the United States. Consequently, he made many enemies. However, he was a man of massive self-confidence. His struggle against slavery certainly became an inspiration. Sir Winston Churchill was a great patriotic Englishman. Most noteworthy, he led Britain in the Second World War. Furthermore, he was extremely inspirational. He inspired Britain to fight against Nazi Germany. His great communication motivated the entire country at a time of hopelessness. To conclude, leadership is required in probably every sphere of life. Good leadership is the door to success. In contrast, bad leadership is a guarantee of failure. Consequently, good leaders are what make the world go round.
Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe the channel, like, comment and share with your friends.